minutes, like what happens before your first session of therapy? Like how should people choose a therapist? Let's just kind of go through that whole process on what
I
happens.
feel like so I mean how we're taught to tell people to choose a therapist is research what they specialize in and kind of their background. Like we all have to deal with theoretical orientations or like that's just a fancy term for saying this is how we problem solve, right? And this is how I think about the world. There's actually a lot of different types. So some people will like vibe with how you think and other ones won't, right? So I'm a nature versus nurture therapist. I think that we have a predisposition, but then life really forms us and shapes us into who we are. It's called systemic. So when I look at a person, I go through and I dig through their attachment and their background and like, okay, who were they born to? What was their socioeconomic background? What was their schooling? What was their exposure to some of these things in the world and like how they understand it and like that is how I problem solve, right? But you take like an
Mhm.
existential therapist and they would say like what is your view on life and how you exist and why you are here, right?